Welcome to your Tampa Electric bill. We spoke with customers like you to create a more insightful paper and online billing experience. The feedback helped us transform the way you interact with your bill. Let's start with your paper billing statement. Your bill is designed to emphasize what's most important to you and to provide insightful details about your monthly usage and cost. At the top right, you'll find your amount due date, and account number. You can also find the amount due under the account summary. A chart clearly displays your current and past year's usage for quick and easy comparison. Your Energy Insights is where you'll see helpful monthly insights based on your energy usage. Scan the QR code using your smartphone or tablet to see your interactive bill online. More on this later. This space highlights important information, programs, or services you may be interested in. Different messages appear here each month. Here's your payment stub. If you mail your payment, please include this with your check or money order. Never send cash in the mail. Now let's look at the back side of your bill. On the back of page 1, under Meter Read, you'll find your rate schedule and meter reading details. Charge Details shows a breakdown of your usage, charges, taxes, and programs you're enrolled in. Here you can see the total current month's charges in blue. In the right column, a bar chart lets you compare your average kilowatt-hour usage to last year's usage. Just below the bar chart, you'll find important messages. The back of the payment stub lists our convenient payment options and ways to contact us. The last pages of your bill feature messages about our programs, services, and other important information. Now let's look at your interactive bill. You can access your interactive bill by scanning the QR code on the right of your paper bill using a mobile device. You will be taken to a landing page where you will be asked to log in to access your interactive bill. You can also sign in on mobile or desktop through your favorite web browser. Just go to ticoaccount.com to access your interactive bill through the account dashboard. Please note, to access the interactive version of your bill, you must create an online account or sign into your existing account. If you logged in through ticoaccount.com, you'll see your account dashboard. Click on Current Bill or View Bill to open your latest interactive bill. Your interactive bill is an extension of your paper bill, containing more insightful information on your month-to-month charges, energy usage, and ways to save. On the upper left, you'll find your balance summary where you'll see the total amount due date, and a button to pay your bill. To view previous statements, click or tap the button under View Prior Statements. You also have the option to download a PDF version of your bill by clicking Download Bill. On the upper right, you'll see important messages about your bill and programs you're enrolled in. Unsure what a specific charge is? Click on the question mark to see a clear definition for that charge. From here, you can also click on the Understanding Your Charges link to view the full list of term definitions at tampaelectric.com/About My Bill. Back to the bill. Scroll further down the page to find a detailed chart of your monthly usage. From here, you can hover over each month on your desktop or click on your mobile device to see more details. You'll see the average temperature for each month, which may play an important role in how much energy you used. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see energy insights based on how your usage compares from month to month or year to year. With each insight, we provide you with actionable recommendations on ways to lower your usage and therefore lower your energy bill. If you have any questions about your bill, please visit us online at tampaelectric.com/contact for ways to contact us. Thanks for tuning in.